How to open it, that's why. Can't open it.
How does it open?
Now, what does that say there?
Where is it?
It says open, and there's an arrow pointing that direction. You need to get in this one as well. Ready, flying, there we go, he's flying.
Oh, what's them on?
There, you can put these headset on as well. There you go, there, you've been a pilot in both of them now.
What is that?
What's what? What's what?
That's a microphone so you can speak into.
It's a bit more, it's uncomfortable for you.
What is it for?
That is when we've got a hook at the bottom here. When we've got things hanging off it, we can just get rid of them by pulling that, or press this button and it drops off. You can press it once. That's it.
That's it, don't do it anymore.
Mm?
No.
Yep, it's fallen off. Whatever we had on there has fallen off now.
What are you pressing?
Don't push that anymore.
Might go off.
This one's 300,000.
Jamie, what do you think of the helicopter? Do you like it? You lock yourself in.
Yeah, you get locked in. It's not knife in.
You know, you don't want to be locked in there, so. Right, get your foot off there. Alright.
What did the man say? You're not to touch anything. Right, don't touch, right? Helicopters, right, don't touch.
It's nice to see the tip, I suppose. This is the radio. Talk to people when you've got the headset on. This is a transponder, it's got little numbers on it. And you've got all the clocks and everything. And this one, this lever here, makes it go up or down. And this one makes it go forward or backwards or left or right. And then those pedals make it